Hello, let's talk about adding events to your Canvas calendar. First, let's talk about where those might appear for your students. First, under this coming up section, they'll have a list of things that are going to be due for their classes. They also can go to the calendar, which they can access here by clicking View Calendar, or on the left-hand side by clicking Calendar there. And they're going to have a bunch of classes, so it's going to look very different than what you see here. But as an instructor, you can control what calendars you have turned on and off by turning on and off these checkboxes. So I'm just using my face-to-face geology class, the sandbox that I have for that. And you'll see that there are different events scheduled for these days there. Now, it also appears because I use the course syllabus as my home page. I don't actually use it as a syllabus. I use it as an introductory page. But because I do that, at the very bottom, I'm able to turn on this course summary. And so all of the events are there for my students. And you'll see that a lot of these are auto-generated by Canvas. So things like this exercise 1 and these quizzes, those are in the gradebook. And since they're in the gradebook with a due date, they do appear here automatically. They also appear on that course calendar and in that to-do list that we saw on the home page. But you'll also notice that things like office hours appear. And so those are things that I manually added to my class calendar. So let's go ahead and see how that works. So I pop back over to the calendar. You'll see that there's this add button, so create new event. And so I can create a new event here, and then I can put the title in, put the date that it's going to occur on, the from and to time. You can set a frequency. So just like in Outlook, how you might set in a recurrence on a meeting, you can do that there. So you can have it, repeat daily or weekly, however that might be. You can put a location. So if this is something that occurs on Zoom, you could put your Zoom link there. And then also what calendar you're adding it to. So you can switch between calendars there. And then you can submit right there. And so when you do that, it will create these extra assignments. So that's how I did this office hours one. I have it as a recurring event, so it occurs every Wednesday from 5 to 6:30 p.m. Right? You can go ahead and edit things from there as well. And so when you add those items, they will appear back on your calendar again. So that's a quick and easy thing to do that makes things easier for students. So if you have reminders or things you need them to work on, you can always add them as events on that calendar. Thank you. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Faculty Development Center, CSUF. For upcoming workshops, check out our website at fdc.fullerton.edu.